Good morning and happy Wednesday. Today's date is June 3rd, 2020. Here is your meme of the day. Alright, remember that new packets are being passed out today and tomorrow. That is going to be from 10 to 2, and you'll pick your packets up at the primary building. For our tasks online today, we're going to watch or read the daily message. We're going to complete the pages or assignments that I've given you. Turn in your work, and also make sure you contact me. Today is Wednesday. If you haven't contacted me yet this week, make sure you contact me today. If you don't, I will be marking you absent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you're in 7-1. If you're not in 7-1, go check in with your own homeroom teacher. Today's activity is the weeks 5 and 6 quiz. This should take you one day. It's going to be a review of what we've been doing the last couple of days. Our focus question is, how do you make predictions when you know the experimental probability of an event occurring? Sorry, my bad. Your tasks for today are to watch this video, to go online, to complete that quiz in Teams, and to turn in your work. If you don't have Teams, this same exact quiz is in your packets. There are 10 multiple choice questions, so it's pretty easy. Just do your best. Don't just go in and click, and turn it in, because it tells me how long you took, and it's able to figure out if you really gave an effort. So do your best. Have a great day. I'll be online if you need me.